Patoy.
Hello, hi everyone. Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat, first of all. Actually, nung unang inassign to ni Tita Net sa akin, sabi ko, bakit ako? Tapos sabi ko, am I qualified to talk about marriage? But honestly, I am honored to be here. Kasi pinaghandaan ko rin naman to for my lolo and lola. Let's be real, 50 years is a long time. Hindi biro yun to last that long. So, looking at my ever-youthful lola and very pogging lolo, today, I realized that having a special connection like Lolo Ping and Lola Alice is truly special kasi full 5 decades kayong naging together and never kayo nag-separate. So it's really a special connection. Sana all. Pero like, as a Gen Z, part of the Gen Z, I don't think walang definition ng perfect couple. So, to stand the test of time, wow! Survive life's greatest challenges together is truly, parang, what do you call this? Example ba? Sa generation natin. So, in my line of work kasi, I watch a lot of K-dramas din. And, ito na, I'm gonna promote din our new lineup for 2026, Disney Plus. We have a lot of new K-dramas. But, the difference between K-dramas and in real life is yung mga K-dramas, they end. Yung may episode and then matatapos sila. So, the difference between the K-drama and Lolo Ping and Lola Alice's love story is never ending siya. So, their story keeps getting for better and better for 50 years. So, another naalala ko about my Lolo Ping is he's very caring. Nung bata pa ako, when I was in nursery sa Santo Niño ba yun, naalala ko na si Lolo Ping. Pinagalitan niya yung teacher ko kasi tinuruan niya ako ng spelling at a young age. Tapos hindi ko siya masagutan. Kaya I will always remember that kasi my lolo has been one of my greatest, parang takbuhan and sumbungan pag may problem. And then, for Lolo Ping as well, I want to advise you to stop drinking na. Kasi we all want you to live a longer life. And also for my Lola Alice, my very beautiful Lola Alice, ever since back then in Singapore, never mo kami pinabayaan. And I will also never forget your Biko and your Suman. And also yung mga times namin when nagkakasakit kami and you help us, especially si Boy pag nagkakasakit na si Mami, di ba? So looking back at the memories that I have shared with my Lolo and Lola, I think it's clear na ako po talaga yung favorite na ako. To conclude, wow, my conclusion. Okay, to everyone here this morning, whether you are married, dating, or happily single, like me, my wish is for us to find a love as strong and real as Lolo Ping and Lola Alice, and the love that has lasted for more than 5 decades. Ayun. So let us all celebrate the 50 years of sincerity and strength of the love of Lola Alice and Lolo Ping. So happy 50th golden anniversary and may you live a long and healthy relationship.
Palapakan po natin. Thank you so much, ma'am. Maraming salamat po.